everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm very excited because it is day one of my own personal 25-day challenge. For the month of December, I've decided to challenge myself to doodle at least once a day, and it won't be long sessions. It'll be maybe a 10 or 15 minutes. What I decided to do is do a little notebook, much like the pocket doodlers that I have been using these past few months. You've seen those. I have a couple of videos on that. I also showed how to bind the book. It's very easy. It's just a 3-hole binding system with some thread, and that's pretty much it. For this one, it's a different format, and this is 100% cotton. It's paper that is made locally here in Montreal, and I realized that this is not accessible to everybody, so make sure that you stay tuned until the end, because I will tell you how to get this little notebook. What I did is I took I believe it's 7 sheets. Yes, 7 sheets. And each pages are numbered up to 25. And I've already painted them in. This is the cover. And for each day, as you can see, I just dropped some paint. I'm really challenging myself with some colors. And it's the same principle as the pocket doodler that you're used to seeing me use. In that I paint all the pages with some color. Some of them were left in my paint palette after a project, and then the idea is to go back to them and doodle over that. So at first I was going to use all the same colors. I started with some random pages, but then I got bored. I wanted to experiment with other colors. Some pages are less inspiring than others, but that's okay, because I'll know for sure that I have some days that are more challenging than others. But it's just, you know, some pages are a little bit more simpler. This is just a gradient with some colors that I had left in my palette. Some are a little bit muted. I like that more than anything else. Some have gold, rose gold. And these are the colors that I used for the cover as well. So what I'm going to do now is doodle on the cover and doodle on page 1, which is going to be day 1. And also, if you want to participate in this challenge, if you want to show pictures of what you create, you can tag me on Instagram. I will be using hashtag ceeceeadvent. I'm going to put that up on the screen so that you can tag me, and then I'll be able to see your photos as well. I have here a couple of pens that I think I'm going to be using throughout this whole challenge. I have a gold and a white, of course, and these are both Signo gel pens by Uni-ball. And I also have a couple of different ones. I have, of course, the Pigment Micron, sorry, by Sakura. Then I have the Deluxe Micron by Uni-ball as well. Here is the Pitt Artist Pen. This is a size medium. I like to vary the sizes of the pens. I think it would be interesting. This is the Muji gel pen, the hexa 0.25 millimeter, very, very fine, but not permanent. The other ones are. And this one I do believe is a Prima writer. It's a little bit scuffed up, but it's the tip 03. that's what we have. I have to be honest with you, when I painted this page, after I had done these spots, I realized that this could be a fun forest. So I added the colors down here. So this one was a little bit more planned than the rest of these pages, which are like totally not planned at all. But and there are no rules to this. I mean, it's your book, you do what you want with it, as long as it allows you to be creative every day in the month of December, then that's great. I also want to mention that I'm not doing this book for Christmas per se. I know I'm doing the challenge in December, and I'm using the word Advent just so that people associate it with 25 days, but it is totally not about Christmas. So there it is. I do love the cover. It's shiny. It's very simple, because the idea is not to do things too complicated. Otherwise, it defeats the purpose of quick and easy doodles within the month of December. At the beginning, I mentioned that I would tell you where you can get your hands on the little notebook, minus the painting, obviously just the skeleton. And here they are. So I've made a couple of these and listed them on my new website. It's finally up and running. I'm very excited. There is a sale going on at the moment. It's a sale for the launch. It's not a Thanksgiving sale. I don't know when I'll have the sale prices up until, but for now they're there. And you can also grab these sticker sheets that I have put together. Now these two are repeats from last year's, but they're in the form of sticker sheets. And you will probably recognize these two pieces that I've turned into stickers. And then I have some florals and my cats. I love my cats. The little birds and some foliage. Now these will not be reprinted or remade, I guess. So these are limited edition only, because moving forward I will deal with a different supplier, and that way I won't be limited to the size of the images. These are 1 inch large, but and there'll be a different format, let's just say. So these are up there, and I also have my coloring pages from previous Christmases. If you click on the online classes, that part, it's still under construction, so it'll bring you to a blank page. I do apologize about that. But for now, the stickers are there, these little books are there, and I'm hoping to get some more stuff on the website really soon. Anyways, that's that. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and I really hope I can bring you a video, a very quick video every day for these advent calendar, or not advent calendar, Advent Pocket Doodler pages. I hope you'll participate in the challenge. I think it'll be fun. Thank you so much for watching. I want to say a huge thank you to my awesome patrons for their support and their patience. Thank you, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below, and I will see you hopefully tomorrow.